In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your sent friend requests on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then head over to your profile. After that, tap at menu icon and select settings. On settings, hit add privacy and then scroll down, and at the very bottom you can easily find accounts you follow. You can just tap on it and that will show you your followers and following list. So first off, select following, and that's where you can find all your sent friend requests on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.